Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen GTI. This is the Autobahn with the manual. Here in the US, we got another year of the Mark 7. The Mark 8 is starting to get released out in Europe, but we're here with the Mark 7, which I'm okay with because I love it. I will say right off the bat, this one's a little funky. It's in some sort of transport mode where the display screen just is not working. This one just came off the truck like 2 days ago, so that will be fixed in a couple days. But total price $38,559. Very, very nice. I do have a ton of other videos on the GTI exploring the whole center infotainment system, but this one just being a little weird. Not bad at all. This is some different tires. These look like the summer tires. Bridgestone Potenzas. Potenza S001. Pretty nice looking tires. Nice and chilly today with some snow. So, won't be testing out the limits of the tires, but I'm going to do that anyway because it's a brand new car. Like I said, it's just in a transport mode, so. Mark 7 GTI, I mean, it's awesome. I love them. No complaints at all here. It's just awesome. This one also features the Fender audio system as well. I'm gonna give them some time to go ahead of us because I don't want to be stuck behind them. This thing's a riot, man. It's just overall an excellent package. Tons of fun to drive. Such a great gearbox too, in all honesty. It is absolutely fantastic. We are driving in sport mode, so it pumps in some additional noise. I know a lot of people, they want the DSG, but manual is still an option. Man, is it fun. Then when you want to just cruise, of course this is not going to work, but custom mode, eco, comfort. You can go into comfort and be nice and relaxed. Of course, it's not going to change the the transmission at all because it's a manual, but in the DSG it would tune the transmission down for economy and comfortable driving. Nice to know that you can control all that. You can control all that without the screen. Do have hill start assist, which is nice, especially in this manual. Holds the brake for you, and you can get going up that hill. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.